Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your AOL account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your AOL account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in aol.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of AOL like this, where in order to log into your AOL account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see login/join button available. Over here, click on the login/join button like this, and over here guys, this is the login page of the AOL. You can always continue to your AOL account with your Google or your Yahoo account. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a login page of the Yahoo or Google like this. But if you log into your Google or your Yahoo accounts respectively, you'll be signed into your AOL account with your Google or your Yahoo account. That being said guys, let's enter our username or your email address or your mobile number like this. But if you have forgotten your username, you can always retrieve or reset your forgot. You can always you can always retrieve or reset your username from over here, which says forgot username. And after entering your AOL account, simply click on next. And after entering your email address, simply click on next, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of your AOL account. And after entering your AOL accounts you'll and after entering your AOL account's password, you'll be able to sign into your AOL account on the next page. And with that being said guys, this is how you log into your AOL account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.